Hi everybody, welcome to week 5. This week we're starting to lay the groundwork for your big final project, the Web Quest. I'd like to start, however, by commending you on your Web 2.0 presentations. Once we got a few communication glitches out of the way, the results were excellent. I strongly recommend that you go through all of the group presentations to get a sense of what Web 2.0 tools are available. This week, you will start by doing a web quest about web quests. The directions are in the folder, but the most important thing I can remind all of you is that you must take on the positions of your assigned role from the grade level your team agrees on. There are complete directions in that folder to tell you how to do it, along with links to all of the information you need. Since your final project, worth 25% of your grade, is to create a web quest, you want to pay careful attention to how the web quest is laid out and what some of the common elements are. Your next assignment is to create something called a project sketch, basically your outline of what you are thinking for your final web quest. You will do this in your book club. Please be sure that you carefully read chapters 3 and 4 in the textbook, as that will give you a much better understanding of what should be included in your project sketch. Then, be sure to look at the WebQuest design patterns and the California content standards in order to refine your project sketch. You might notice that the content for this week really stretches into the middle of the following week. You need to have your web quest about web quests completed by Thursday at the latest. Your project sketch, including a task and alignment to content standards, must be done by Monday, April 23rd. There is a video in this week's content about common web quest pitfalls. This may be helpful as you provide comments to your book club group members on their project sketches by April 26th. In the comments, I'm looking for suggestions of tools, resources, or extension, and not just nice work type statements. I cannot stress enough the importance of this project sketch. Your project sketch is the outline of your final project. Over the next 3 to 4 weeks, you will revisit the project sketch, consider my suggestions and the comments of your classmates, and start to build the pieces of your web quest. You might want to go back to the Web 2.0 presentations again and try to find 2 to 3 tools that will work within the concept you've identified in your project sketch. To get the maximum points possible on your web quest, you will need to have students use 2 to 3 different tools as they complete their assignment. As always, have a great week, and let me know if you've got any questions.